Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to unbox this microphone. I've been waiting for this to come in for don't know how long it's been actually. This is the Bai Fei BL-414 and this is the 34mm capsule version. Now all the other videos I've seen on this are based on the 25mm version, and I bought this for £90. That includes the shipping and tax and everything. In this video I'm going to unbox it and do first impressions, and I'll have a review coming up. This is not the review. So this microphone apparently is really good because it's a copy of the AKG 414, and a while back I actually wanted the microphone, but it was really expensive. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it comes with DC 48 volts, and you have the polar button down here and the frequency response, and this is a large diaphragm condenser. It's called a 34mm capsule. So here we have the user manual. It's in English, so we can read this. I'm not trying to be funny. Comes with the shock mount. Comes with an XLR cable which says Bai Fei on it, so they've got their own branded cables. I will leave this in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the microphone. So here we have it. This is it. So this is it. This is the, it says C414, and you can see the capsule in there. That's a pretty nice sized capsule. I can't compare it to the 25mm version because I don't have that one, but feels very nice in the hand. Let's go ahead and plug this in, and I'll do a first recording session with this. Let's go ahead and clear up the desk first. So the shock mount here, I didn't really expect it to work like this, but it doesn't screw in or anything. You just put the microphone in, and I think it's based on suction or something like that, and it's probably not going to move. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm assuming this side is the front. Let's go ahead and just plug it in, and we'll do a handheld recording test actually. Take it off. Oh, there we go. So it does spin, and then let's put that to the side for a bit. So I've got it out here. I'm actually quite excited about this. I'm gonna plug this into the Fathead Phantom, which gives a clean boost, and I'm just gonna see how it works out when it's handheld. That's a lot of gain. Testing. That's a lot of gain. Okay, it's recording me right now, and seems like it has a lot of gain, and I'm not sure how it sounds with me holding it like this far. It's about 10 inches away, and it's got a lot of gain, so I can lower the gain even more, which is quite nice. And this is the 34mm capsule version, and compared to the built-in microphone, well, the microphone that I've got on the camera, it's gonna sound quite a lot better. And also compared to the Samsung CO2, which is what I use for voiceovers and everything, it will probably sound a lot better as well. It's got quite a lot of gain compared to any of the other microphones that I've tested. Well, let's go ahead and do a proximity test. I'm just gonna move in closer. I'm gonna put the gain down a bit. So I've just moved it down to 3, and this is a little bit closer up. I don't have any pop filtering or anything like that, and this is how it sounds. Okay, I think it might have been the gain. It's gone pretty normal now. Let's go ahead and put it back up to 4. I think it might be the head phantom. It changes the amount of output quite a bit. Well, I don't know. Actually, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know what's going on. But this is how it sounds. So this is how this microphone sounds. I'm going to play it back and see how it sounds. I won't be able to tell you anything about it in this video because I'm just going to end the recording. And I'll be really interested to hear if anybody has the 25mm version and then compare it to the 34mm version over here, and I can speak directly into it. There it is. You can see the capsule right there, that's inside it. From the behind you can see a lot more easily compared to from the front. Well, this is how it sounds anyways. So I'll have a review of this coming up. I heard really good things about it, and I really do like the C414 from the from AKG, and so I just picked it up. I'm going to use this for voiceover. For that, it's apparently really good. So I'll end the video here. If you guys have any questions or you want me to answer in the review, ask me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in another video.